She's good morning. It's Thursday morning today. It's 8:16 a.m. Kaka-drop off ko lang sa anak ko sa school. It was a really pleasant morning actually today. Kind of cold, that's why I'm wearing sweater. I dropped off sa McDonald's. I grabbed some food. We order tayo ng sausage McMuffin right here. I'm inside the car right now. I'm trying to eat a little bit and then probably pupunta tayo sa, actually nandito na ako sa parking lot ng Seafood City. So I ordered the sausage McMuffin, and then I ordered a hash brown. Of course it came with a ketchup, and then I ordered crazy, this is like the size medium macchiato sa McDo. It's so small now but it's a good size for me. So kain muna tayo. Oops, sorry, may tao. Kain muna tayo mga mamshies, and then probably punta tayo sa grocery. Mag-grocery tayo, samahan nyo ako mag-grocery. Mga konting item lang kasi kaka-grocery ko lang last time too. Okay, kain muna tayo mga mamshies, okay? Let's eat! Mamshies, tapos na tayo kumain. Nandito na tayo. Ito yung weather ngayon sa Philippines. I guess I miss Philippines now. This is the weather right now sa Las Vegas. Magandang weather. Ito ang Seafood City namin. So, mag-grocery lang tayo. And then, uwi na tayo. Alrighty. Sama na kayo. Dito na tayo sa loob. May red ribbon dito. Meron silang grill dito. Daanan natin yung grill nila. So, ayan. Nag-grill sila maaga pa. Wala pa ata. So, may mga kakanin sila dito. Ooh. Tikoy. We should get this one, huh? Should we get this one? We should get this one. There you go. Meron silang bibingka. Ayan, mga kakanin. Ito yung mga food nila. Ayan. Ooh, ayan ang mga anong tawag nila dyan? Putok-batok. Ayan. Ayan. So, ikot lang tayo dito. We should go back here. Hi! Ikot lang ako muna, ate, ha? Ayan ang mga food nila. Ang dami nilang food for breakfast right now. There you go. So they have a lot of choices here. They have Valerio's right there. That's the bakery store. So ayan ang grocery namin dito. Grocery lang tayo mga mamshies. Then probably later on, we'll do a live vlog later on. Okay? Dami nilang mga stuff dito, mga mamshies, oh. Ang mga chichirya ng Philippines, Chippy, Vika, right there. Ito naman yung mga fruits and veggies nila. Ayan. Mango. Siguro bili tayo ng mango ulit, no, mga mamshies. Kasi last time, diba, nagustuhan natin yung mangoes. Matamis din yung mangoes nila. So, bili tayo medyo green-green muna. Ayan. Ito. Ano bang maganda mga mamshies? Tingin tayo ng medyo maganda. Siguro ito maganda mamshies. Ito. Ayan. Dami natin. Meron pa tayo sa bahay. Pag gusto ka na bahay. So I said $15. Yan. Right there. Yeah. Here you go. Ito ang grocery ng Seafood City. Ayan. Okay. Ang dami nila mga tuyo here, oh. Mga tuyo. Ang daming mga klase. Sobrang dami. May tinapa pa sila. Right there. Yummy. Mga ice cream section nila. Mga mamshies. Right there. We have makapuno ube, langka, queso. We have that at home. Green tea. Ubi cookies and cream. We have so much variety in here. There you go. And then this one are sweet potato, siomai. Meron din sila ang champurrado na instant. Siopaw as well. Ayan. Ang dami mga choices dito mga mamshies. Sobra. Oh, if you want to make your own lumpia right here, they have the wrapper. Or if you want the pre-made one right there. Lumpia naman siya na pre-made na. Sarap. Mga meat section niya. Longganisa. They have this one. I don't know what's this. Is this like yung bulaklak na chinichicharon? Meron din silang dugo. Right? Oh no, is that dugo? Yeah, beef blood. They have pork blood as well. Meron din silang ito, which is rich for sa collagen, pero daw makain yan. Grabe, meron din silang chicken neck right here. Ano pa bang namimiss mo sa Philippines? Oh, we're gonna buy chicken pala here. This one, chicken leg na nakarat. We're gonna buy this one. Chicken leg na karat. Quarter. I guess or this one. No. I like this one better. We should just get this one right here. Ito. Lagay natin yan there. So far, yan pa lang ang napabili natin. Ano pa bang mabili natin? They have bulalo too as well. Mga munchies right there. But stay away from beef right now. How about pork right here? They have porks right here. There you go. Mga frozen section yan ng mga fishes, mga munchies. So they have the deboned milkfish belly. They do have bangus belly as well. Right there. This is milkfish belly. I was looking for the one that's seasoned, but they don't have it. So they have rellenong bangus too as well, but I don't need that. We're just gonna get this one right here. This is unseasoned though, so we're just gonna season it ourselves. We're probably gonna get 2. There you go. They used to have season 1, but right now it's not available. Okay, let's check out the other section. Ito naman yung mga fresh fish niya. Ayan yung bangus nila dito. Empty pa yung iba kasi it's still early. There you go. Yan, mga fresh fish niya. They have tilapia. And over there, you can have them clean it. And then, they can even fry it for you. So this section is pretty full right here. So they have, this one is the Atlantic salmon right here. It looks so good. They have the catfish. They have so much stuff here, ladies. They have tilapia too, momshies. Look at that. But we got some fish at home, so we're not. They have the pampano. This is my favorite right here. It's really good. Really good when you fry it. And they have some live crabs too as well. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Right over there. Alrighty. Let's go around. They got a bunch of kakanin here too as well. Momshies, look at that. They have biko. They have so much stuff here. Nilupak. What is nilupak, momshies? Ano ba yung nilupak? I don't know what's nilupak. Anyway, I think it's saba. They have puto too as well. There you go. Okay, I think we're gonna check out right now. There's a lot of stuff at home still. Ayan. Okay, check out na tayo mga momshies. Check out na tayo. Ayan si ate, tutulong sa atin. Thank you, ate. Okay mga momshies, pasok tayo sa Red Ribbon. Meron silang, look at how big the halo-halo thing is. Pull daw, pull. Momshi, pull daw tayo. Paano ba to? Can I bring my cart in or can I just leave it there? Leave it na lang natin dyan there. Hopefully hindi mawala. So this is the Red Ribbon here. Kuha tayo ng basket. Bili lang tayo ng mga couple for my kid. Siguro, bili tayo ng ano kaya? Cheesy ensaymada. Right here. Or hold on, masyadong ma-cheese yan. Maybe we just get ano kaya masarap kainin? Maybe we just get a regular one. A butter mamon, mocha mamon. A butter mamon. Ube mamon. Maybe an ube mamon. O butter mamon na lang tayo lahat. Para same. Siguro mga 3. Ayan. There you go. And then we're gonna order some palabok. They have ice cream too, but just a few choices right now. I mean ice cream, cake. Yan ang mga cake nila. Order tayo ng palabok. Ang favorite ko. Hi, ate. Pwede, may palabok na sila, ate?
Yes.
Pa-order po ako na yung malaki. Ano ba yung family platter na palabok, please? Yeah, tsaka ito, ate. Tapos, one halo-halo, please. Thank you. Ayan, si ate, tumutulong sa akin.
3 butter mamon, 1 palabok family, tapos isang halo-halo.
Yes po, ate.
$29.
Oh. Thank you, ate. Ang red ribbon ng mga mamshies na palabok. Wow, looks good. Mamshies, ito na ang halo-halo sa red ribbon. There you go. Looks yummy. Okay, uwi na tayo mga mamshies. Ready mga mamshies, pauwi na tayo. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video, Mommy Crystal. Ingat kayo parate. More videos to come mga mamshies. See you. God bless.
Thank you all for watching.